Welcome to the nature of Patagonia, a land where raw beauty, silence, and vast wilderness come together in perfect harmony. This remote region, shared by Argentina and Chile, is known for its dramatic landscapes, powerful winds, and untouched natural wonders that feel both ancient and magical. Patagonia is famous for its wide open spaces. Here, the land stretches endlessly, with golden grasslands, rolling hills, and bright blue skies. The peaceful silence of this region makes visitors feel like they have stepped into a world far away from busy cities and modern noise. One of the most iconic places in Patagonia is the Andes Mountains, which run through the heart of the region. These mountains create stunning views with their sharp peaks, snowy tops, and deep valleys. Many travelers come here to hike, climb, and explore the rocky trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints. Patagonia is also home to some of the most beautiful glaciers in the world. The famous Perito Moreno Glacier in Argentina stands tall with its bright blue ice formations. Watching large pieces of ice break off and fall into the water is an incredible and unforgettable experience. These glaciers remind us of the powerful forces of nature shaping the land for millions of years. Another natural treasure of Patagonia is its crystal-clear lakes. Lakes like Nahuel Huapi and General Carrera shine with deep shades of blue and green. Surrounded by forests and mountains, these lakes create peaceful scenery where the water reflects the sky like a perfect mirror. Visitors often enjoy boating, fishing, or simply relaxing by the quiet shores. Patagonia is also known for its strong, cold winds that shape the land and add character to the region. These winds blow across the plains and mountains, making the journey more adventurous. For many travelers, the wind becomes a memorable part of the Patagonian experience, giving the land a wild and powerful feeling. The wildlife of Patagonia is rich and fascinating. Here you can find animals like guanacos, condors, flamingos, foxes, and even the elusive puma. The region's national parks protect these unique species and offer amazing opportunities to observe wildlife in their natural habitats. Patagonia's animals add life and color to its vast and open landscapes. Another highlight of Patagonia is its stunning coastline. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans meet this region with dramatic cliffs, quiet beaches, and rich marine life. Penguins, dolphins, seals, and whales can often be seen along the shores. The coastal areas show a different side of Patagonia's beauty: peaceful, gentle, and full of ocean wonders. Patagonia's natural beauty is also deeply connected to its indigenous cultures and local communities. For generations, people have lived close to the land, respecting its power and learning to survive in its harsh climate. Their traditions, stories, and simple lifestyle reflect the deep bond they share with nature. In the end, the nature of Patagonia is a place of pure magic and unforgettable landscapes. Its mountains, glaciers, lakes, plains, and wildlife create a world that feels untouched and inspiring. Whether you stand before a massive glacier, watch the sunset behind the Andes, or walk through wide empty plains, Patagonia welcomes you with a sense of freedom, wonder, and timeless natural beauty.